So I shall, just to show you what things look like, if lots of you have Optimus Reds, I shall just go to Noise at Work, and it changes the info that we can see on the screen. So what is it that we're looking at? Well, the best way I think to view NoiseTools is as follows. This section underneath the word NoiseTools, this section here, this is your filing cabinet, so where you've stored your measurements, and that's where you'll find them. Here in the middle, this is your measurement, and down the side here are tabs, things that you can do with your measurement, and that's it. But that's all you need it to be. Filing cabinet, measurement that you're working on in the middle, things you can do with your measurement. Just back to the filing cabinet for a second. So where I put company name, your name, task, area, and staff, I've just basically put the exact same measurement in different drawers of that filing cabinet. So however you like to search for things, that's fine. So if you did put warehouse 2, you would click on projects, you'd click on warehouse 2, and every measurement that you ever took that you called warehouse 2 would appear in a chronological order. And whereas if I searched on people, searched on your own name, you can see how often I say this to people, every measurement with your name attached would appear in chronological order. We also have a search bar here at the top, so you can type anything you like, probably better to type real words. Click the magnifying glass, and any measurement with the nonsense that I've just written there would have appeared in chronological order. And it's just different options. Now, if you are having a bit of a day and you think, I can't remember how to do anything, I'm fed up with it all, Richard, I would suggest that the magnifying glass option might be the best way for you. You can also, let me just make that disappear, we also have an advanced search, which you might find interesting if you've carried out a lot of monitoring and you need to basically audit your own data. If you click that little black arrow, this will appear. The nonsense that I typed appears at the top. So you can put a descriptive term in here, the date range that you're interested in searching at. If you leave that blank, it will search the entire your entire database. I would suggest you leave it blank. I don't even use the equals option. Equals, I stick with equals. You can go lesser or greater than the following. This option here, decibel level, specific decibel level. So if you are doing noise at work monitoring, or you're an acoustic consultant and you've carried out work for a particular client for many years, and there's like some sort of an audit, a presentation of the data changing over the years, you could say, okay, I want you to show me any measurement that had an LAEQ greater than 85 decibels, which would be the second noise at work action level. That's the one it automatically picks, but you can just change it to any level that you wish. Click search, and any measurement that you have that went over 85 decibels would be then listed here. So you've audited your entire database, and all you need to do that is just click a couple of buttons and tell it the parameters you're interested in. You might want to change that to 80 decibels, which is the first noise at work action level. I shall just close that. So jump back to our measurement, and just to remind you, to access that, I just clicked that little black arrow there, and then followed the instructions, populated it, gave it something to work with, told it a decibel level I'm interested in, told it to search, and away I go.